Morning, Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 4 science teacher. Remember, I have given you a question that how many machines, simple machines are there, and you have written the name of the 6 simple machines: lever, inclined plane, screw, wedge, wheel, axle, and pulley. So over there on the blank page, you will draw any of the 4 simple machines. It can be levers, it can be inclined plane, it can be screw, it can be wedge, it can be wheel and axle, or it can be pulley. You can draw any 4 of the simple machines on the blank page in the front of the question where you have written about the simple machines. Then today we have started a new chapter. First of all, you will make a title page of chapter 13, our environment, very nicely, and then you will read page number 135 and 136. So let's start the chapter. Our environment means our surroundings, and it is very important to keep our surrounding neat and clean and away from pollution. And if you are living in a clean environment, you can understand the benefits and the advantages of living in a clean environment. So let's start with page number 135. Open up one page number 135. Air contains molecules of different gases. We have different gases in the air. Nitrogen is 78%, oxygen is 21%, but the other gases that are present in the air are carbon dioxide, hydrogen, argon, and water vapors, but they are very less quantity. The air that is surrounding the earth, that is called atmosphere, and it has 4 layers. You can see the 4 layers, and this is a troposphere, and then it is stratosphere, then it is mesosphere and thermosphere, and this is the exosphere, that is the outside surrounding. And let's start with the first layer, that is the troposphere. It is the most closest to the earth, and it is 10 to 15 kilometer above the earth's surface, and temperature is decreasing as we go away from the earth's surface. And this layer consists of weather and clouds. In the stratosphere, it is 15 till 50 kilometers above the earth's surface, and the temperature increases with height as we go away from the earth's surface. And this stratosphere, this consists of the ozone layer, and the ozone layer absorbs the harmful radiations from the sun. Now comes the mesosphere. Mesosphere is the layer that is above the stratosphere, and air here is very thin, and the temperature also decreases. And then comes the thermosphere. Thermosphere is the above the mesosphere, and it is 80 kilometer above the earth's surface, and the temperature here is very high. Then comes the exosphere, that is the outside layer. It is the region that is beyond the atmosphere, and these are all the layers of the earth. Now come to the water. Water is also part of your environment. It contains hydrogen and oxygen molecules, and it is essential for our earth because we drink, we do a lot of work with it. And when this water is evaporated by the sun's heat, it becomes the water vapor, and the water vapor rises in the atmosphere and condenses when it drops, and it drops again to us in the form of rainfall. And this process goes on and on. First, the water from the seas or the rivers, they are heated by the sun, and they go up and become clouds, and when clouds become heavy, they fall to the earth in the form of rainfall. And again this cycle goes on and on, and this cycle is called the water cycle, and the rainfall is called precipitation. Now come to land. Land is the surface of the earth which is not covered by water, that is the plain. And this is because of this land you can see biodiversity. It means plants and animals are surviving. Then we did the fill in the blanks. Dash is the atmospheric layer closest to the earth's surface, so answer lies here, troposphere. Then second is the two gases dash and dash form the major component of air. So the two gases are, the major gases are nitrogen and oxygen. Now come to blank number 3. Blank number 3, the air surrounding earth is called. Come again to page number 135. Uh, the air the air surrounding earth is called atmosphere. So you will your homework is to make a title page of chapter 13 earth, and before making the title page, on the blank page in the previous chapter 12, where you have done about the simple machines, you will draw four simple machines. Then you will make the title page of 13 our environment, and then you will go through page number 135 and 136, and you will solve these blanks. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.